DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? This is your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger reaction. You already know what time it is. Yeah man, people, today we're there with two artists that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah man, one is more frequent more than the other, but yeah man, but you already know they're no stranger to the channel. We were talking about none other than Byron Messia and Chris Brown. The other day, Byron Messia teased a song on his IG after Funk Master Flex challenged him to work with TJ, and Byron Messia posted this song basically saying this is what he's focusing on. He's not too worried about working with TJ or collabing right now. He's working on this song with Chris Brown, and then a couple hours later you see Chris Brown put it up saying it's premiering today, which is Tuesday at what, 12 o'clock, and it just dropped like a couple hours ago. We're going to check it out and see exactly what I'm going to see if the video is actually lit. Apparently Chris Brown did shoot this video in Kingston while he was on his concert. Okay, so while he was down there for his concert. So yeah, when we did see the video getting shot, so hopefully it's a lit video. You feel me? Hope the lyrics and everything is cohesive, hope everything flow. You see me? Hope it's not one of those, not another one of those track where, you know, it just chew on international artists and a dancehall artists just to say they made a song. You see me? Hopefully everything flows and works. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking forward. This one should be a bangers. And should be two hit makers on the track at this point. Chris Brown, you know Chris Brown very talented, and you know that Byron Messia is talented. Alright, so we're not going to vibe much longer, gang. We're gonna jump right into the track. Yeah, this is Chris Brown, Byron Messia, Nightmares. Let's get it. Go on. And then yeah, now play. Yo, the visuals up, gang. The visuals up, no cap. Nightmares, come on. Come on, man. Yeah, man. Yo, off rip, whoever the director is, the photographer, the videographer, you're doing a great job. This is looking like a movie already.
Me brother get tied up in the streets, say them can't leave out. And if you can't bring the Glock round, so then them not leave out. More time alone, soldier, not trust no one.
Okay, I'm not, yo, Chris Brown vocals clear on this, and I see they go on this Afrobeat type vibe.
If you ever see the big gun, him turn evil. Him say, me depressed, so he need my medicine. It's just me and my Remington. This them want stick around like gelatin.
I say, yo, mistress, so give me my medicine, just me and my Remington. I got DJ named Pato Vibe.
But the man them not take by a skeleton. Then skirt up on the main like Hamilton. Rope money make them fly like pelican. Ooh Lord, oh Lord. And tell me most I know. My family and me friend them. Most I know.
Ooh, yeah, boy, coming in smooth, I ain't gonna cap to you.
You bring trouble, him guy in them. Nightmares no more dream. He just don't believe. He just don't believe. Nightmares no more dream. He just don't.
Yo, hey, come on, bro. This is an iconic spot in any music video. You can see this in when DM and Marley, welcome to John Rock. You can see this is Sizzler and Thing They Red. Was it the game? Yeah, it's an iconic spot in
don't believe. He just don't believe. Da. Gunshot on them in a Ghana. Killer them match up on a charter. Figure start wa ha. A gunshot we no.
Tada, gunshot on them in a Ghana. Killer travel. Hey, come on.
Love chat, have a clutch back. Cause say me no fi bust back. Me say fuck that. Ear care with the panjo, me I chuck back. Ever happy care like school youth with a lunch bag. Most I know. My family and me friend them. Most I know. You bring trouble in there.
Yo, alright, Chris Brown doing this thing, bro. It's a vibe, Come on.
Time is no more dream. He just don't believe. He just don't believe. Nightmares no more dream.
Yo, it's a life is no more dream. To reality now, come on.
He just don't believe.
go.
DJs don't believe. Yes, dog. Bang, bang. It's a gang, gang.
Easy on. Byron Messia making moves out here. Chris Brown, man, keep doing your thing, gang. Come on. Crazy, crazy. Goes on skirt. Messia making moves. Hey. Easy on one. 11. Yeah, so hold on. Is he dropping a project on 11 too? Ain't Kraft dropping 11? Chris Brown probably dropping an album 11, bro. You gotta stay lookout for that. That's crazy though. Yeah, man.
This is
that was
your
a big
garbage
move.
trap.
By Messia and Chris Brown, the one of them nightmares. It's a good look. Shout out to Chris Brown. Shout out to Byron Messia, man. Yeah, man. It's a good look for the culture. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Congratulations. You see me in the track, the premiering, the video, everything is looking up and up. Everything goes together and flow together. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I like it. No cap. I like it, man. So shout out to Chris Brown. Shout out to Byron Messia. Keep doing your thing, man. True for star Byron Messia. And beyond. You see me a large, me G. Keep doing that thing, man. Big man thing, gang. Let me know what y'all think about that one in the comment section. Did you enjoy this collab? Was the collab you was expecting? Was the subject matter what you expecting? How you like the flow, the beat, the melody? Let me know all of that, man. Let's chop it up, man. Yeah, man. I did see when Chris Brown did come to Jamaica, he was shooting a film with Byron Messia. You see me doing this concert. Didn't know what the track he was shooting. I thought he was shooting a Taliban's remix, which was crazy. But no, they actually did the original track together, which is dope. You know what I'm saying? They flowed together. Chris Brown was trying to sing in his Jamaican accent and doing thing, but you know, he's trying to bring back the whole 90s dancehall feel in the video with the girls, them how they dress, the girl and my guy how they dress, plus with the whole sound box pan the corner types. They try to bring back the vibe. But shout out to them, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, real dope track. Shout out to Chris Brown and Byron Messia. Guys, let me know anything about that one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show that son of our support. Make no sense, Jambisco and send you. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, we're there. We are doing a thing, man. We are shooting for stars, road to 10K, 100K, a million and beyond. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Come on.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selectable.